Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about continuous tenses, present, past and future.
What is continuous? The verb in a continuous tense indicates an ongoing or an incomplete action in the past, present or future. Continuous past, present और future tense में किसी भी इनकम्प्लीट एक्शन को बताता है, जिससे हमें यह पता चलता है कि जो भी काम किए जा रहे हैं वो भी कंप्लीट नहीं हुए हैं, वो अधूरा है, उसमें कंटिन्यूटी है, वो काम को लगातार किया जा रहा है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम कंप्लीटिंग माई होमवर्क। इस सेंटेंस से हमें यह पता चल रहा है कि मैं होमवर्क कंप्लीट कर रही हूँ। होमवर्क हैज नॉट बीन कंप्लीटेड एट, इसे अभी किया जा रहा है। All continuous tenses are formed with a helping verb plus a main verb having an ing form. For example, Mukesh was speaking cheerfully. Past continuous tense. Next, Nandu and Sandeep are typing very fast. Present continuous tense. The plane will be flying on schedule. Future continuous tense. So first we will discuss about present continuous tense. The present continuous tense indicates an action that is going on at the time of speaking or writing. The present continuous tense indicates an action that is going on at the time of speaking or writing. वर्तमान समय में जो कार्य किए जा रहे हैं, जो अभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, उसे प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस कहते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू आर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। अभी आप वीडियो देख रहे हैं, वीडियो अभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, सो इट्स अ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। The verb phrase in the present continuous tense is formed with is or am or are plus ing form of verb. Present continuous tense में helping verb is am are के साथ main verb का ing form यूज करते हैं। For example, she is jumping. We are playing. I am writing. Method is subject plus is, am, are plus main verb plus ing plus object plus full stop. For example, you are watching this video. You is subject, are helping verb, watch, watch is base verb, and here we added ing, watching. So watching is ing form of main verb, and this video is object. Next, I am teaching you. Here I is subject, am helping verb, teaching ing form of main verb, you object. Next, past continuous tense. The past continuous tense indicates an action that was going on in the past. Past continuous tense भूतकाल में जिस कार्य को किया जा रहा था उसका बोध कराता है। The verb phrase in the past continuous tense is formed with subject plus helping verb was were plus ing form of main verb plus object plus full stop. For example, She was speaking loudly. In this sentence, she is subject, was helping verb, speaking ing form of main verb, loudly object is full stop. Next, we were walking carefully. I was writing neatly. In the same way, we and I are subject, were was helping verb, walking and writing ing form of main verb, carefully and neatly are object. Next, future continuous tense. The future continuous tense indicates an action that will be going on in the future or is certain to happen in the future. The future continuous tense indicates an action that will be going on in the future or is certain to happen in the future. Future continuous tense भविष्य काल में जिस कार्य को किया जा रहा होगा उसका बोध कराता है, जैसे पापा बाजार जा रहे होंगे, मैं पढ़ रहा होऊंगा, like this. The verb phrase in the future continuous tense is formed with subject plus will plus be plus ing form of verb plus object plus full stop. For example, they will be going to the garden. So here they is subject, will be helping verb, going ing form of main verb and to the garden object. Next, I will be going with them. She will be coming too. These are the examples of future continuous tense. Write any 5 sentences in present continuous tense and change them into past and future continuous tense.